Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt and welcome to New Brick Workshop. Now, not long ago you may have seen the video I made about a pole pruner made by Stihl. Well, with it I've cut down lots of bits of foliage and I now need to tidy up, but I'm not going to use either of these things. Now, this is the GTA26 Pruner. It's battery operated, very simple to use because just here you've got a baby chainsaw and all you do is you squeeze the trigger and away you go. It's as simple as that. Now, when you first get the machine, and certainly every time you're about to use it, you do need to check the tension of the chain. And the way to do that is, first of all, make sure the battery is removed. And then there's a locking lever here, and you undo that by 2 full turns, and that releases the bar so that it can be moved. You then move the bar away from the machine in order to tighten the chain. And when it's like that, with about 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeters of the underside of the chain showing, then tighten this up. Tighten it up and then apply some oil. There's a little oil can that comes with the kit, and you can replace this oil from a big bottle when needed. Put a bit of oil around there, and then I like to make sure the whole chain gets a bit of oil, so I rotate it and put a little bit more on, and that's it. And when you first get the machine, make sure you put oil on, as I've just shown, and also every time you recharge the battery, or after about every 15 minutes of running time.
Now, Stihl GTA26 is very easy to use. The battery runtime of 25 minutes is perhaps a little optimistic, but all of the shots that you see in this video were done on a single charge, and that includes a number which have not been shown in the video.
Now, Stihl recommend that you use this tool two-handed, like so. It's not ideal all the time because sometimes the piece of wood moves away. But I'm sure the reason you're supposed to hold it like this is to make sure when the saw kicks back, which it might do, that this hand is safely out of the way. Don't forget, you've got to wear eye protection. No need for ear protection because this tool runs so quietly.
Stihl have now introduced an extension shaft for the GTA26. And this gives it an extra 1.5 meters of reach.
And when you finish using it, remove the battery. Don't store it with the battery at any stage, and then give it a quick clean off. Now, with the battery removed, take off the cover, and I'm going to brush off all of the bits of sawdust and stuff from the machine. Keep it nice and clean. And then I like to make sure it's got a little bit of oil on it before I tuck it away. And part of the kit is the little oil bottle, and you can buy oil in big jars if you need it, and put a bit of oil around the chain. Rotate the chain just a little bit, making sure all the chain's got oil on. Replace the cover and put it away. And remember, do not put it away with the battery in place.
Now, my only criticism of this little gadget is that the carrying case supplied is actually not especially good. Other than that, it's a lovely little gadget and very handy indeed. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.